Hi, I'm Denis from the Geberit Care team, here to show you how to fit or assemble the waste fitting on your toilet. You may have already seen how to adjust the height of your frame. Now we'll take to the next step of setting up your soil pipe. Now if we come closer, we'll show you how the waste is connected to the frame. Using this bracket here, you've got 4 little prongs on it. This bracket is attached to the underside of the horizontal frame of the cistern. This simply fits in with the 4 prongs and it clips into place quite snugly. What then happens, you have a right angled soil pipe bend which you cut to size, depending if your waste is going through the floor or it's going through the wall, or in some cases coming out through left or right of the toilet cistern itself. Now we've already cut one in place already, and we've made the assumption that our waste is coming through the floor, and in a lot of solid floor situations you will get your waste coming off the floor roughly about a foot off the back wall. So we've replicated this detail. Now simply the L-shaped waste has been chopped to a length, and we've actually used a Geberit S bend offset waste, which allows us to step back the waste connection from centre of the floor to in line with where the waste sits under the cistern. Now we simply position the waste through there, and we have a little bracket that holds it in place like so, and it holds it very firmly. So that is pretty much static. Now you then have your pan connector. Now the pan connector is also oversized, and allows the installer to cut it. Now what you tend to do at this stage is that you have your front panel in place. Now I'm just going to put it in loosely here. Like so. And what you do, you offer your pan connector into the soil pipe, get it firm back, and then what you do is that you mark in line with the panel, mark where the line meets the projection of the pan outlet. Score it with either a Stanley knife or a pen, then remove it. Then with your marked line, you then measure how much you projected at this point, add on 50 millimeters, and then adding those 2 sections together, you cut that overall length of the length of the pan connector. And then when you have it deburred and offer it back into the bend, it will be the correct projection from the soil pipe to where the pan will actually be offered up to the cistern. And if you do that correctly, it will be a very straightforward fit. You'll have your rods in here, and the pan connector will easily slip into the back of the toilet without any great difficulty. Thank you very much.